good, everybody? So I have found a new hobby that I want to get into, and I ordered it just on Amazon right now. So let me give you guys a little brief unboxing. So it is a dotted journal set. Basically a bullet journal. And I got this thing called Feela. It's going to be, comes with a lot of stuff. So it comes with a pen. Let's look at the pen ratio. Interesting. You know, and it comes with washing tape. It's to make your journal like a little cutesy. And I got other stuff. It comes with a bunch of stuff like stickers, little templates. It comes with stencils, you know, because I'm not really an artist and I don't really know what to do, but the main thing that I want to get into is the journal itself. So I got a green journal because green is like one of my favorite colors. Represents money, wealth, and just, you know, go. Because I'm trying to go places in my life. So already I can feel from the texture of the cover, it's really soft. It's really nice, actually. Feels like not really leathery, but still like a soft, smooth finish. And once I open it, the first page is blank, but you know, you can decorate that yourself for your bullet journals. And what I really like is an index, because as I fill in the pages, I want to be able to know what I put into my bullet journal. And then just pretty basic dotted lines and everything like that, you know? I can't really see it too well. But you know, it's dotted lines, so you can get into the habit of bullet journaling. But yeah, so this is gonna be my unboxing of the Feela dotted journal set. It was like about like $17 on Amazon. It's pretty good. I actually really like this set because it comes with everything you would really need, because I don't really know how to get started with bullet journaling, but I know that you're gonna need some pens, a bullet journal, and some other stuff. And it's pretty nice to have like little accessories and stuff to make it cute, because your bullet journal, a nice bullet journal is a good bullet journal, in my opinion. I'm honestly not that artsy or anything like that, but I want to get into it a little bit. So I think the most handy thing for me is going to be like these little stencils, because my handwriting is very bad, so I might just use this, but I probably won't use too much. But I like the little ideas, you know. It has like a little Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat. I like that because I can get like my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram ideas or whatever like that. Meditation, food, little borders. This is really cute. Ooh, like this. Dolphins, whatever, you know, and other stuff that you can just create in your bullet journal. So I'm gonna try to work on my bullet journal and see how it goes from there. Hopefully it looks cute, and hopefully I can get my life organized. So let's just get right to it. All right, so let's get right to it. We got Deku on my front cover because he's my favorite hero. Right here, I have to count the dots of the bullet journal so I know how many dots are in each page. So there's 27 dots width-wise and then 39 dots length-wise. Good to know. So right here, I'm creating a key. A bullet means that I have a task. If I cross out that task, the task is done. A little hyphen means I have a little note. A little arrow means I move the task to a different day. If I cross it out, it's canceled. And then 2 exclamation points means it's important. Here I'm creating a goals page because I want to have my goals somewhere where I can write them down. I divide them between realistic goals and dreams. One of my realistic goals is to stretch more because I have back problems, and a dream I have is to get into UCLA Law. Keep dreaming, guys. Next, I wanted to have a quarantine reflections because I feel like I have changed a lot during quarantine. And if you haven't, what's wrong with you? This is going to get quite repetitive, but this is going to be the year at a glance. I have to write down every month and every day, Monday through Sunday. And yeah, it gets really repetitive, so enjoy watching. And then I have to write down all the days that are in that month. Just make sure you guys don't mess up like I did right here, because Don't worry, just little mistakes. Little mistakes happen. Don't worry, guys. Once again, I'm writing all the days of the month, basically 1 through 30. This is so I can mark down any important event or birthdays during that month, and I can just look in my bullet journal and have a quick glance at it. So it's very easy. This is basically me doing it all over again, but for the rest of the 6 months, I write down April in green because green is my favorite color and April is my favorite month. Go back to your scheduled program. Glad I'm done. That shit hurt my hand. This is the finished product, showing you guys that I will just write down any birthday or important event right here, and I can see it at a year's glance. Also, April Fool's, best day ever. So I'm drawing these squares for the monthly calendar. Even though I have a ruler, you guys can still see that I still mess up on trying to make straight lines and making these squares beautiful. But I think that's all about the process, and I hope you guys enjoy my little imperfections in my bullet journal. Now all I need to do is write down the days of the week, basically Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I always believe in titling your month, and this month's title is going to be Super Serious September. Now you just fill in the box with each date to make sure it's all organized, and then I felt like it needed a little color, so I highlighted it to make it pretty. Also, every month needs a quote. This month's quote is Go Plus Ultra. So here I'm trying to be a little fancy and do a little different kind of writing. It's not ugly, but it's not beautiful. But yeah, so right here I'm going to be building a habit tracker so I can keep track of my habits and if I'm completing them or not. So how the habit tracker works is you write down every day 1 through 30 of that month, and then you just track down if you are completing that habit each day of the month. And honestly, that's it. Sticking with 4 habits this month, and I wrote down a gratitude list just to see what I'm grateful for that month, and then a monthly feels check-in list just to check up on how I'm feeling that month, or whenever I need to write how I'm feeling. So here I'm basically dividing it up into 3 sections each page, and this is so I can have my weeks at a glance from Monday through Sunday. And I only have Saturday and Sunday on one little block because I don't have that many tasks on Saturday and Sunday. So yep. And then here I have 1, 2, 3 for my most important tasks that I want to get done that day, and then 3 bullet points for whatever other task that I need to get done. And then I have a little 7 through 11 p.m. just so I can schedule out my day and how I would like to see it.
So then I just did the weeks at a glance for the rest of the month so I wouldn't have to do it again. But once again, you guys will see a lot of repetition. It took me a really long time to finish this bullet journal. But it's all worth it in the end because look at this. And honestly, I really like how it turned out and I feel like it's going to get me really on track. Let's get it! Lastly, I have the monthly reflection just to reflect on how well I did that month.
Alright guys, so that was me showing you guys how to set it up, but I kind of wanted to make it a little more cute, so let me decorate it a little bit and then show you guys the finished product.
I'm gonna be honest, I didn't really add that many decorations. I just added some stickers here and there, this little squiggly line, and yeah. But I did add some washi tape to this little page, and honestly, this simple thing makes everything a lot cuter.
Hi guys, so I finished setting up my bullet journal for the first time. I know we're in a different setting, different background, different clothing from the very first shot of my video, but it's because the bullet journal actually took me about 2 to 3 days to finish. I could have finished in 1 day, but I really didn't want to do that to myself. But without further ado, let's give you a look at my bullet journal.
Alright, let's look at the finished product. Still got the Deku sticker. Front page, I'll fill in the index later. But I have my key here. Make sure I know what all these mean. And oh yeah, you guys can't see the quarantine reflections. But I have filled all out my year at a glance with important birthdays, important events, mostly holidays. And then I filled out my September calendar. I have some birthdays. I have some other things I have, like my internships that I have going on when I get back. And then I have my habit tracker, gratitude, monthly feels. I'll fill that out. And then just my weeks at a glance. Pretty simple. I did like different colors for each one and then monthly reflection. And boom! I'm done, guys.
Alright guys, so that's basically my simple bullet journal. I'm not much of an artist, so that's why there's not that much art in my bullet journal and it's not that cute and artsy, but I just wanted to have a way to track my goals and become more productive because I'm going into my senior year UC San Diego and I'm going back in a few days actually, and I just wanted to make sure that right when I get there I'm going to hit the road running and just get straight on track and make sure I'm productive and motivated because this summer I really haven't done anything. But I'm glad that I'm going back to San Diego and that I will be using my bullet journal a lot more often to make sure that I get to reach my goals and do a lot. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you guys want to see more bullet journal videos. Subscribe, like, comment, and I think in the next video you guys will see me in San Diego. Laters!